Hello guys, hope you guys are doing great. First, take the hair strands of your hair like this and then start tying them in this manner. After doing that, start making a braid as shown in this video. For your next hairstyle, you have to first take the front end of your hairs and then alternatively you have to take the strands and you have to get a pattern like this. After doing that, you can make a braid as shown in this video. And then yes, you can make a bun too. Take the front ends of your hairs and after doing that, you can apply rubber band over them and then start making a simple braid as shown in this video. After making a braid, you can apply these over here. Now take the hair strand like this as shown and then crisscross over them like this. After crisscrossing them, you can see that the pattern has been obtained in this manner and a braid can be easily made in this manner. First, take the front ends of your hair and then wrap them inside the another remaining strands. After doing this, you have to crisscross and overlap them in this manner and then simply make a braid like this. See, you are done and then roll the braid in this manner. Divide the hairs in these parts and after dividing them, make braids of the part that was separated earlier. Now join them all together with the help of a rubber band and then roll the remaining part of your hairs in this manner and make a bun at the end. Now first take the front parts of the hairs like this and after doing that you have to make braid in this manner and then the remaining braids are to be joined all together in this specific design. Hope you guys have done this. Now just let's get started with another design like this. Make braids from the corners and then join them all together in this manner. Then make a bun like this. Apply rubber band over here and after doing that you can simply adjust them in this. After doing that, make a bun and you are done. See how beautifully we have made this. Thanks for watching.